Now let's see what are we going to get. Again, you have to take the partitions in the hair like this, and then by taking extra hair, this thin hair partitions, you have to just fold it in the manner as we are doing, and then twist your hair back and forth, tuck it in the manner as we are doing in the video, and then let's see what are we going to get. Yes, here you have to secure it with the help of your clutches in the manner as we are doing, and then with the help of rubber band you have to do the thing as we are doing in the video, and here's to the result. Isn't it amazing? Now let's see what are we going to get. Again, you have to do the partitions in the hair like this and just take it in the form as we are doing now. Make thin pleat in the manner as we are doing in the video. Keep on making this and making it look like this, and in the manner you will be amazed to see it. Keep on making this and let's see what we are going to get. Keep on making, and in the end you will be amazed to see it. Isn't it amazing? Just take the partitions in the hair and interlock your hair in the manner from the front side, and your look will be damn amazing. Now from the back side you have to make a pleat like this and convert it into the form of a bow pattern in the manner as we are doing. Now press it further, and then you have to roll it in the manner in the form of a beautiful bun like this, and it is yet ready to go. Isn't it? Now you can decorate it further. Pretty, right?